Hi, so this is a quick video showing you how to replace the hard disk drive or solid state drive in your Lenovo. I don't even know what this model is, but I'll link it in the description. But this should work with most laptops. They're all pretty much the same. So first of all, you'll have these are the tools that you need here. An anti-static wristband, screwdriver, or a little screwdriver. I'm just going to use this one. I mean, you should have all these things around the house. I also use tweezers because sometimes these little nails, screws, can get, like, you can drop them. You need to pick them up carefully without rolling them around. So the only thing you might not have is probably the anti-static wristband, which you can get online super cheap. It basically just ensures that you don't damage any components in the laptop through electrostatic discharge. Okay, so I mean, I've already fully unscrewed everything. You just take this off, it'll clip off, maybe here one now, and just go around the edge and unclip it, each edge at a time, and then carefully just take it off. So this is where your hard drive is here. Don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping this all goes well on camera. Okay, here's my new one, which probably should be on an anti-static mat. I will speed this part up. When I edit, and this is why I use the tweezers, because they are so annoying to pick up sometimes. So I just realised the camera is quite far away there, so I'm going to show you the hard disk drive again. This here is where the hard disk will go. Okay, I'm going to continue unscrewing these. And with this particular model, there's a little bit here, which I think it's just the antenna or something, and it doesn't even screw off. Just move that out of the way and be careful you don't, because it's a tiny little cable. I mean, absolutely anybody could do this. It's so easy, and there's probably people out there that charge so much, well, way more than they should, just to replace a hard disk. Especially on a laptop, they'll probably tell you, "Oh, don't go on the laptop. It's dangerous. Everything's compatible," which it is. But I mean, look, the manufacturers make it so that you can easily take things out. Even the RAM, oh Christ, I just realised I don't even have the anti-static band on. So much for me going on about it. You might want to put it on your left hand if you're right-handed, or vice versa, so that it doesn't clip off. But if you can see that there, just put it on any piece of metal with a crocodile clip, and make sure you see that. If you just put it on there, it'll keep your current the same as what's on the laptop, meaning that there'll be no electrostatic discharge. There you go, managed to say it that time. Okay, So I've unscrewed all the bits. This little part here should just slide off like that. And here's the old one. It just slots out quite easily. I'll show you a little closer this time. So it'll be slotted in here into the SATA port. And here's the new one. I don't know if you've seen that, but that's just how easy it is. Now it's just a case of screwing everything back in. That was a really good example of why you should probably use tweezers. That one gave me a lot of bother last time actually, so I'm gonna do these ones first and hopefully that one will go in afterwards. Clearly none of them want to go in because I'm filming and I have the most unsteady hands ever. So this is me just putting that little antenna thing back on. If it is antenna, I mean it's something, just put it back. Okay, I feel like I'm missing a screw. It's always the worst when you have one left over, you're like, where the hell did that come from? Right, so you'll want to clip this all back in. I mean, I would probably test it before screwing everything just in case something loose is loose, but I'm pretty certain this will work. So turn it on. And it works absolutely fine, so I'll turn that off and put all the screws back in. And that's it, you've changed your hard drive. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. So, thanks for watching.